Fire and Rescue, what's the address of your emergency?
DFES has taken the opportunity to replace the mobile data terminal used in Career Fire and Rescue appliances earlier by using the capability provided by the Computer Aided Dispatch, or CAD, replacement project.
Attention, crew of Belmont Pump. Portable first, Welshpool second. Turn out to a call received by 000 to a report of a car on fire at the BP petrol station.
DFES's new mobility solution, the Incident Response and Information System, known as IRIS, will be installed into Career Fire and Rescue appliances in metropolitan and country locations. IRIS provides a mobile CAD application which fully integrates with the new CAD system that has been implemented into the DFES Communications Centre. IRIS will provide firefighters with improved information to support response and incident management activities via a reliable platform. The removable, ruggedised, one-size-fits-all Panasonic device will provide incident information in real time and provides improved situational awareness for responding crews. Responding crews will receive more accurate information for incident, status updates and security of information. IRIS also features a fit-for-purpose, end-user designed interface or dashboard that provides access to critical responder information such as current weather, maps and pre-plans. This results in enhanced situational awareness and safety for responding crews. It will deliver a capability that can reduce radio traffic as messages can be sent via data. This is just the start of DFES's digital transformation journey. The introduction of IRIS has moved DFES into an innovative, mobile data era and provides a capability platform for the future. Training will be rolled out to Career Fire and Rescue Service in September 2018.
If you require any further information on the CAD project or IRIS, please access the DFES intranet site, and if there are any further queries, please contact the CAD project team.